Okay, today it's gonna be the HDP 50 pistol and 8.4 gram steel bearings and 1100 psi sig tank, and we're gonna try and go through an inch of plywood with this. Got about 4 or 5 rounds loaded, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. Let's get this chronograph on. Alright. Slide check. $492. 490. Duplicate. $492. Wow, what a fucking powerhouse this is. Let's go see what we did here. Fuck, they all went clean through. Yep. 490, no fucking problems whatsoever with that. Inch thick of wood. My Kevlar is getting torn to shit. Nice. Clean holes. Don't matter where you put them in, up, down, middle, side by side, on the edge, they're going through.